So we have some data showing average temperatures for various locations around the world in a calendar year. It's looking a bit bare though, isn't it? And difficult to analyse, so I think we need to inject some colour into it. The simplest way is to select the data and on the Home tab, go to the Conditional Formatting drop-down, hover over Colour Scales and choose from one of the 12 preset options. Given we're dealing with temperatures, it makes most sense to go with the red, white, blue colour scale, so hot temperatures are red and cold ones are blue. Click on that. There we are. It looks a lot easier to see what's going on now. So that's one way of visualising data, but let's move on to the main focus here. Select the data again and go to the Insert tab. You'll see a group of sparklines with 3 types. A sparkline is a compact chart embedded in a single cell, providing a visual representation of data. Let's start with the line sparkline. We've already selected our data, so we don't need to worry about the first field. The location range refers to where we want the sparklines to be placed. Select the range next to the December column, click OK, and our sparklines are generated. If you click on any of the cells with a sparkline, a contextual tab appears that you can go to discover all the customization options. If we check these boxes, you can see the sparklines update. Now, it's looking a bit cluttered at this stage, so we'll only have the first 2 checked, so we can see the highest and lowest temperatures. They're both showing as red blobs at the moment when we want the coldest one to be blue. Let's go to the marker colour drop-down, hover over low point and pick blue. We can also change the sparkline colour to a nice dark grey. And there are various other options on this tab to customise it, but what we've done is good enough for this. Similarly, we can use the same principles for creating and customising the column and win-loss sparklines. There we go. I've just shown you 4 ways to visualize your data. You won't necessarily want to use all of them at once, but knowing the options is good, so you can choose the most appropriate one based on the data you're dealing with.